Hey guys, this is Kevin over at JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so that our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to our review now. Today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31, reference number 178384. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movements towards the end of the video. Alright, so jumping right into the dial now, we have this beautiful silver dial, or rather rhodium dial, with Roman numerals, the typical Datejust architecture of the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust name right underneath that, the crown, the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. Of course, for the Roman numerals, there also comes in different style of hour markers as well, such as index hour markers or diamond hour markers, or even Arabic numerals as well. So specifically for the Datejust, as it is a dressier watch, you do have multiple options when purchasing the Datejust in terms of their dial colors and dial hour markers. So if you like the Roman numerals but you're not feeling this rhodium colored dial, then you can also get it in a black, white, blue, pink, or even brown and purple, specific the brown and purple being specific to the Roman numerals. But if you don't like the Roman numerals, you like the stick markers, which are the index hour markers, you can get that in a black, white, blue, rhodium, or pink. And those index hour markers will have luminosity, allowing visibility in the dark as well. The Arabic numerals only come in a black dial color, and additionally, if you're feeling a little more luxurious, you're not really feeling any of those plain hour markers, you can also get it in a diamond hour markers to match with this beautiful diamond bezel, and you can get that in a pink, blue, rhodium, or black dial colors. Of course, with the Datejust, the option of mother of pearl dials are always there, so white mother of pearl or black mother of pearl dial colors with diamond hour markers. Moving on to the bezel now. The bezel is a beautiful diamond bezel. The Rolex themselves don't really disclose what kind of clarity of diamonds they use on their bezels, but from numerous different sources of forums and such, the quality of range and color for the diamonds are typically around mostly are F through G in range and color. But besides that, very beautiful diamonds set in a white gold bezel. So this portion of these, you can see the kind of raising of the bezel is all made of white and gold, compared to the case, which is made out of 904L steel, which is an in-house made steel by Rolex that has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to their steel. Besides that, if you're not feeling the diamond hour markers, is also this watch also comes in the standard just fluted bezel, which is a white gold bezel, or a domed bezel as well. But moving on to the case now, the case size is a 31mm case size. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. And of course, as stated by the name, Rolex Datejust 31. The lugs of the case are nicely high polished, as you can see from the bottom of the lugs, the top of the lugs, nicely high polished to match with that shine of the white gold from the bezel and the shine of the diamonds, and additionally to match with that the white gold's hands as well. The side profile of the case, as you can see, not very high, will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs, very nicely, very easily. Also nice high polish on the side of the case to match with the sides of the bracelet. On the other side, same thing, nice high polish to match with the sides of the bracelet. We have the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. As we move on to the crown, I'll go ahead and show you the functions now. So the functions of the crown, it is a screw down, twin lock, double waterproofness system that simply unwinds counterclockwise as shown. The first position, or the standard position of the crown, is where you can wind the watch going counterclockwise. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. Pulling out the crown to the next position will allow you to adjust the date. Let me actually go ahead and move this hand out of the way here. So I do apologize. Give me 1 second. Alright. So the next position will allow you to adjust the date, as so, just by going counterclockwise, very easy to do. And pulling the crown out to the final position will stop the seconds hand, as shown. And it allows for precise time settings, such as doing an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds. And of course, the hands move bidirectionally as well. Pressing the crown back in will start that seconds hand once more, and always make sure to screw the crown in nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep the watch water resistant for up to 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. We move up to the beautiful Oyster Bracelet, which is used typically a sportier style bracelet, but instead we have the 3-piece links with a nice high polish down the center, so the high polish matches with the lugs of the case. While the outer of the 3-piece links add a nice contrast with its satin finish to bring more shine out of the center of the high polish. You can see that patterning goes to the Oyster class as well, and onto the other side you can see beautiful tapering from the first links all the way downwards to have a nice overall feel on the wrist and a nice uniform proportions as well. Opening up the clasp as we move on is the folding Oyster clasp. Very simple to open up, very easy to use, and it reveals these nicely high polished clasp blade with the Rolex name embossed on there. So once again, that's how it looks closed. And then opened up. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the movement now. So the movement is housed in this Oyster case backing with a nice bordering of high polish all around the back of the case back. The movement itself is Rolex's in-house made movement, the perpetual mechanical self-winding caliber 2235 movement. It has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is within Swiss specs, which also lets Rolex add in this bottom text here at the 6 o'clock position, the superlative chronometer officially certified. The functions of the movement is simply just the center hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and the stopping in the seconds hand as I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of the watch is a 48-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and you'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So open up that folding clasp there, snap that on, and there we are. Absolutely beautiful rhodium dial. Those Roman numerals look absolutely gorgeous on that dial as well. The diamonds really make the face of the watch stand out with the nice high polish on the lugs, and just patterning all the way throughout with the Oyster bracelet as well, the high polish following straight through. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.